Ways to use lemongrass. Lemongrass might be one of the most profitable herbs to grow. It can be used for functional, aesthetic, medicinal, and even gastronomic purposes. In this video, we're going to share the many ways to use lemongrass. Different uses of lemongrass. Number 1. Furniture polish. You can use lemongrass in furniture polish. 1 cup of mineral or linseed oil should be gently simmered. Add half a cup of dried lemongrass and boil the oil for 10 minutes. Cool after turning off the heat. When the oil has cooled, filter it and use it as a furniture polish to restore and shine your furniture while also leaving a mild aroma behind. Number 2. Stir-fry recipes. Asian cuisine, including your favorite stir-fry recipes, benefit greatly from the addition of lemongrass. With its overtones of citrus, it is a particularly fantastic addition to stir-fried veggies, giving them taste and depth. Number 3. For cooking soups. To add a surprising element, add lemongrass to your go-to recipes. Lemongrass is frequently a good addition to soups and stews. To add a bit of lemongrass flavor, add 1 or 2 stalks with the outer leaves removed and remove before serving. Number 4. For flavoring. Fresh lemongrass frequently adds flavor to chicken and fish meals. For a delightful twist from the routine, add to marinades or sprinkle on while sautéing. For those who like a more subtle flavor than adding fresh lemon juice, this is especially wonderful. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as that really helps the growth of our channel. Number 5. Lemongrass syrup. Lemongrass has a mild citrus flavor that works well with flavored simple syrup that's used to flavor beverages and cocktails. For a distinctive touch, this syrup can be used for anything from iced tea to alcoholic beverages. Number 6. Lemongrass dressing. Fresh summer salads are a terrific place to incorporate lemongrass. Cut down to the stalk's delicate base, which is where the bulb is located in the bottom 3 to 4 inches. Remove the tough outer leaves to reveal the delicate center. To add a citrusy flavor to salads, crush and finely chop this. Number 7. Insect repellent. An excellent natural insect repellent is lemongrass. To disperse the scent over a sizable area and ward off insects, place a pan of water infused with lemongrass over your fire pit or on your grill. Similarly, to deter mosquitoes, throw a few handfuls of dried or fresh lemongrass into your summer bonfires. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.